Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. My name is Sashwati and I'm here today with a very special video. I hope you guys are doing well. Indeed, the past 2 years have been very traumatic for all of us. The pandemic to top everything has ruined many things for us. We have lost many loved ones, we have lost friends, relatives, acquaintances and many people. Some people have lost their jobs, some people have lost their love lives and whatnot. Most of us are still in the processing stage and trying to cope up with the new normal scenarios. In such a situation, should we be hopeful about the future at all? We'll find this out in this video. Well, this is a very special video which I have brought to you today. It is specifically created for natives belonging to the zodiac sign Sagittarius. This is with regards to 2022, the upcoming year. As we all know, 2021 is leaving us very shortly and we are just left with 2 or 3 months of 2021 and the next year is knocking on our doors. What has the new year in store for us? I will tell you how your upcoming year will turn out to be with regards to the various aspects of your life. I'll let you know how your love life will perform, how your academic life will perform, how your married life, domestic life, your health, the astrological remedies which you need to keep in mind. You will find all of these in this particular video. So keep watching the whole video for the necessary details. First and foremost, before moving on to the predictions, I'll just give you a tour of the planetary positions which will take place in the year 2022. On the 13th of April, Jupiter or Brihaspati will transit in the zodiac sign Pisces in its 9th house, and Rahu, the grey planet as we all know, will transit in the zodiac sign Aries in the 10th house. This will happen on the 12th of April. On the 29th of April, Saturn would transit in the zodiac sign Aquarius in its 8th house, and on the 12th of July, the same planet would transit in the zodiac sign Capricorn in the 7th house, and this will happen after the planet turns retrograde. So, first and foremost, I'll begin with your love life. As love is obviously, we all know, one of the most important factors in our life. So there will not be any significant changes in the love lives of Sagittarius natives. You will be spending a lot of time with your other half, your better half. The native's life will be better and this year will offer you power, romance, family and authority. Your social status will become very affluent in 2022. You need to make the right decisions according to the situation before doing anything this year. February would be your most favorable month to get married. If you have someone in your mind, if you are in love with someone, or if you are planning to do an arranged marriage, then February would be the most auspicious time of the year. Moving on, I'll talk about your career. It will be an average year from the career perspective. Sagittarius people who are looking to start a business should start at the very beginning of the year, and you should avoid making any new or heavy investments, and you should also avoid involving yourself in any speculative activities. You should get some help from your senior officials or people who are experienced in the necessary field when it comes to business. Things will improve after April, especially if you are into partnership promotions that look promising after the month of September. If we talk about the fate of students who belong to this sign, then this year will be good for students who are appearing for competitive examinations. Students who are appearing for examinations, general examinations, will be successful this year. This year will also be lucky for students who are aspiring to appear for higher education, who want to pursue their higher education in any foreign country. Apart from this, Rahu's placement in the 6th house of the horoscope until the month of April will bring success in the field of competitive exams. If we talk about your financial life, then this year will begin with mixed results as the planet Saturn will be in your 2nd house. This means that you will continue to acquire wealth. Your financial status will improve as you will continue to save and invest, and you could also invest in gems and jewelry. There is an indication that you may gain some of your ancestral property. It may be passed on to you. You may get something in return from your ancestors who want you to take access to that property. You should be cautious while investing in the year and avoid any risky ventures which is also associated with your family. If we talk about your domestic life, then it could grow and expand through an association or partnership. The year predicts that new and unusual experiences will teach you many things you didn't know before. Surprises may come through your way in the form of children or a romantic relationship that can get you out of a monotonous routine and help you lead a new life. You are kept on toes and have to be flexible as life keeps on changes. As we all know, change is the only constant thing which keeps happening to us. This is a good time for your family, and you are likely to encounter stimulating and inspiring experiences that help you approach things in a very fresh and a new way. Thus, 2022 on an average will be a very good year for you. If we talk about your lucky number, then the lucky number for Sagittarius natives is 3 and 9, and the year with a total number of 3, 12, 21 and 30, which are those which hold significance in their life. Sagittarius is ruled by the planet Jupiter, and the year 2022 is ruled by Mercury, which is neutral towards each other, and hence this year for Sagittarius natives, communication, if you know, should remain a very important aspect of your life. It will bring you a lot of inspiration, surprising and unpredictable achievements. What you should do is that you should learn to stay grounded and humble while retaining your dreams at the same time. Before wrapping up, I'll let you know about some astrological remedies which you should implement in the upcoming year. This will make 2022 one of the best years of your life. So what you can do is that you can plant a peepal tree in a park or a temple which is far away from your home and worship it on Thursdays. You should do it every Thursday. On Saturdays, you can donate these 5 items: black sesame seeds, til as we know it in Hindi, a black cloth, urad dal, black lentils, mustard seeds, sarso as we know them in Hindi, or sesame oil and iron. Read the Ramayana or the Ramcharitmanas scripted by Maharshi Valmiki on a daily basis. Feed for birds daily and participate in any social work or charitable activities. Wear a ring which is made of pure gold on the ring finger of your right hand. So well, this was all you need to know about the Sagittarius horoscope for the year 2022. I really hope that this video would give you a sense of relief in these stressful times. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for watching the whole video.
For regular updates, follow our Instagram page right now.